JP Noonan's been in business for 60 years. Our predominant business is petroleum hauling. We're the largest New England-based carrier. We have roughly 450 vehicles in our fleet. The largest cost of our industry, because we haul hazmat products, is the cost of a cleanup of a spill. In a propane tanker, we have a rollover and that breaks open or something like that. The catastrophic damage is tremendous. It's very, very important to avoid those. What happens a lot of times when you have incidents, it's always assumed that the truck is at fault. And we're a large deductible. We're in it for $1 million before any insurance company takes effect. The more delay you have, the cost just keeps rising. The quicker you get on it and address the situation, you can minimize the impact. We had an accident in Maine that was a major accident. We didn't have Samsara at that time, so we had to go through a painstaking effort to pull the ECM out of the truck, get all that information. It took probably 5-6 months to get all that put together. We said, we got to do better than this. So then we started looking around for cameras. We went to Samsara, and since we've been on Samsara, we've had a couple bad accidents that were not our driver's fault, but it was instantaneous that we knew that it wasn't our fault. It was just phenomenal. Now we have instant access to everything. That's how we control our costs. That's what the Samsara camera has done for us. We use the scores to coach drivers on a pretty daily basis. We can start somebody out that's not the best driver in the world and work them through our process and train them and then put them onto the petroleum division, which has the most risk. Our goal is to get everybody in the 98 to 100. We're zeroing in on the seat belts, the distracted driving, the defensive driving. We reward people with the best scores, and I think that's affected their morale in a positive way. It's a fun thing. They liked it, and we've seen an improvement on safety scores. The main goal of our safety team at JP Noonan is to keep the general public safe and to make sure that our employees are safe and get home at night every night. The Samsara program has helped us improve our business tremendously. We've been able to keep ahead of the technology, and the quality of the product is exceptional. There's nothing on the market that compares to it.